Hey there, how you doing? Can you believe it is September already? Time is flying. We have had a fantastic summer here at the NLP Academy. I have had a fantastic summer. I've loved it. For those of you who have been watching my Facebook feed and my Facebook and Instagram stories will know I have been in Spain for the last 3 weeks. A little bit of work, but mainly holiday. I am back now in Croydon, the centre of the known universe, ready for a wonderful September where we have some really cool workshops lined up online. This weekend, or Sunday, the 11th of September, I will be running my Hypnotic Metaphors class online. That's with the NLP Academy's sister company, the London Hypnosis Academy. This Sunday, 11th of September, where you will learn how to wrap stories in hypnotic trance. So the story will go deeper and make deeper connections than just telling a regular story. Learn how to utilize hypnotic metaphors in all forms of your communication this Sunday, the 11th of September. For details, visit londonhypnosisacademy.com. The following weekend, the 17th and 18th of September, also with the London Hypnosis Academy, I'm going to be running my hypnotic healing seminar. And this is where you will learn how to use hypnosis and new code NLP for optimal health. Healthy mind, healthy body, healthy body, healthy mind. The two are not separate, the two are one system. Learn how to engage with hypnosis to promote health, healing, and well-being. 17th and 18th of September. Then we change theme. We go back to the NLP Academy, and on the 21st of September, I'm going to be running my psychological persuasion workshop, also online. And this is where you will learn how to persuade others by going inside the mind of the client, understanding how people think, how people get motivated, how people decide, and how people remain satisfied with the decision they have made. If you want to learn how to persuade, it's important to learn and understand the psychological factors that impact decision making. That is 21st of September, NLP Academy with the NLP in Your Home brand. Take a look at nlpinyourhome.com. It's great to be back here at the center of the universe. It's great to be back in front of the camera again. And it's going to be wonderful to welcome a group of people from all over the world to these fabulous online classes. See you online, guys. Thanks for watching this video.